If your edits feel flat, it might just be your speed. Welcome back to the InShot Editing series, and today we are tackling speed controls. So in this tutorial, you're gonna learn how to adjust your speed and create speed ramps, reverse your videos, and add freeze frames to your videos. So let's dive into it. Part 1, speed. Once you've imported your clip, tap speed and drag to speed it up for fast motion, or slow it down for dramatic moments. You can also press smooth for a buttery smooth slow effect. And if you compare the clips, you'll see how smoothly it blends the frames. Now for the exciting part, speed ramping. Tap speed, curve. You can drag the points upwards to speed up and downwards to slow parts of your clip down. To add more points to your speed graph, just press the plus sign to create your own custom speed curve. Or you can also choose the perfect preset that best suits your video. This works for beat drops, transitions, and enhances the cinematic quality of your video. Part 2, reverse. For a cool playback effect, just tap reverse. And your clip plays backwards, and this is great for transitions to highlight a moment in your video. Part 3, freeze. Want to pause for a moment? Now tap freeze to create a still frame in your clip. Drag the arrow to adjust the duration of your freeze frame. Now this emphasizes a moment in your clip, and you can even add text, graphics, and sync it to the beat of your music. Now your edits won't feel flat anymore. So save this video to try it next time and follow us for more InShot editing tips. Like and subscribe to InShot's channel for weekly editing tricks.